want to show you all the things today. Our Enjoy This Life virtual retreat was this past weekend, and it was an amazing time. If you did miss the retreat, you can catch the replay. All the classes will live on YouTube on the Not Too Shabby channel, where you can go back and create projects from your favorite classes and rewatch as many times as you wish. I had fun. I created a couple of cards from a couple of the classes, and I yet to do the rest. So I'm going to share the cards that I did. I also played with some fall papers from Not Too Shabby that I want to share the projects with. But let's dive into the classes that I did. And you guys, so many of you have been emailing me, letting me know what a wonderful retreat this was and how much fun you guys had, and you can't wait for the next one. I am just thrilled. And let's give it up for Lynn, who is LV Handcrafted. She's the one who organized this retreat for us, and it was so much fun. If you didn't have a chance to watch the retreat, we have 2 days packed full of classes, techniques, and fun chatting. I will have those links in the description box if you missed it. And we will be planning our next one. We are not sure when it's going to be. It does take a lot of planning, so we can't wait to bring you another virtual retreat. Okay, so I did Carrie Rhodes' class. She had I think 6 different classes. All of the classes were learning how to create your own pattern paper. And I did the one where she used ephemera to create a background. And this is how they turned out. Aren't they adorable? So I mashed up 2 collections. So I used the Enjoy This Life paper. It matched perfectly with the Spooky Witches ephemera. I thought the Spooky Witches ephemera, the purple in here, matched perfectly with the purple in the Fall Life paper pad. So I used that. I used the Enjoy This Life die. And I do have leftovers from the retreat bundles. I did list those in the shop. So the papers are available. We have the Enjoy This Life paper pad and the Fall Life plaids. I have some of the Enjoy This Life die, not too many. And then I do have the ephemera and the beautiful enamel dots that I add on everything, and the stamp set, the very, very cute stamp set. So I'm going to share my class projects with you, and you'll see what the stamp set looks like colored up. And I do have this washi tape that matches the Enjoy This Life collection. So this washi tape is also available on the website. And I've been giving this out as a free with 60. So when you spend $60 or more, you'll see a free gift listing pop into your cart, and I'll add that washi tape to your order. So I love how these turned out. So this was super fun. So that was Carrie Rhodes' class. That was on day 1. And then I did Alicia, who is Call Me Crafty Al, her slimline class. Now this was a special sheet load that was only available for the retreat. So if you didn't get that and you still want to, so when you watch the class, she'll tell you exactly how you can download that sheet load. So there'll be a link in the live chat where you can sign up for her newsletter, and then she will email that to you. So I'm not sure how long that will last, so I would try it today if you really want to get that sheet load. So I created a half a sheet load. I did 4 out of the 8 cards, and these were really super fun. And I remember someone in the chat said it would be such a good idea to put in an enamel dot as the doorknob on this piece of ephemera. And I totally agree. So that's what I did. I added the little enamel dot there. I added the cute fall sign and the girl, and then this floral cluster at the bottom. And I did add some peel-off strips to the sides of my panels here for a little glitter. And I love how it turned out. So all I have to do is decorate the inside. I want to put a white panel and then maybe another piece of ephemera on the inside. So here's another one. This one I used the wreath, the little fall sign, and this little book with a pumpkin and a candle sticking out. It's a little journal. It says Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Then we have a little cup of tea, just a cozy fall scene. This one, I have the autumn sign and these two pieces of ephemera. I wanted the pattern in the middle to shine. I really love that pattern. And then this one, I had to use the Enjoy This Life mascot for the retreat. And then I just added some enamel dots. So those were super, super fun. And that was on day 2. Isn't this paper gorgeous? So you can get that right now in the shop. Let me show you my retreat cards, and then I'll show you these cute little boxes. So I did 4. The one in the class was this one. So I go over on how to assemble all of this. I did do a blog post with step-by-step instructions and measurements. So if you're looking for that, it's on the blog on the Not Too Shabby website. So it's nottoshabbyshop.com, and then click on the blog and scroll and you'll see the instructions for this. So it's a belly band that comes off. On the inside, it's really cute. And then the back is even decorated. And all the products used were from the Enjoy This Life virtual retreat. So I have a special link in the description box that takes you to all the products from the retreat. So here's the one I did, coloring up the cute images from the stamp set. Aren't they so cute? I have stamped on there, fall is in the air. I did use the stencil, which was exclusive to the bundle. That's no longer available. And then let's take a look at how I decorated the inside of this one. So I have Happy Fall, y'all, and then a cute little cluster of stamped images. So how many of you tried out the class that I did? Did you have fun? Did you go outside your box and try something new? Or maybe you're used to making these type of cards. But now you can go back and do the other versions. Try adding a doily behind your circle. If you weren't able to do the flowers, try doing the flowers, do the burlap, the lace. And then this is the Enjoy This Life die. I love that die. It's so pretty. So I just love this card. We also have a craft along linky party on the blog. So we're doing a little party where you can post up your makes from the retreat for a chance to win a $25 gift certificate. So that party will end on December 15th. So you have plenty of time to create some projects from the retreat. Link those up on the blog, and the winner will be announced on that blog post. So I want to share these cute little boxes that I've been making. These I've done in a fall theme, a Halloween / fall theme. So these are using fall papers from Not Too Shabby. This tutorial I followed was from Amber, who is Lyric Lover Crafts on YouTube. And I've been having so much fun making her cute little boxes. She uses them for craft fairs, but I wanted to use mine just to give out as little treats for Halloween to my family, friends, neighbors, postal workers, things like that. Okay, so for this one, I used the Fall Love collection. So it's beautiful. I love this paper collection. For all the sentiments, I used our mini messages that is not yet released. This stamp set will be releasing October 15th. With our quarterly release, and it's got so many cute little sentiments in here. They're perfect for little tags and little boxes and cards. So I used the But First Coffee Happy Halloween, and I did just a cute little fall scene. And then this is what the ephemera looks like. There's cute little girls in here and butterflies and all sorts of different beautiful images. Little bottles and wheat. There's latte cups, pies, just all sorts of beautiful imagery. And I love the colors in this collection. It's super pretty. This is the matching paper pad. So both of them are called Fall Love. And then we've got But First Coffee Happy Halloween. So this one's done in our newest collection, Pumpkin Spice. Gorgeous, gorgeous collection. I had to restock it. So it's in stock right now. I just restocked it. So this one sold out. So pretty. I glossied up this little pumpkin on the front, and I added twine on all of my fall ones. After this, I'm going to share my Halloween ones. If you missed the video, I'll share them at the end. And then there's the fun size candies in here. So this next one here is using the Autumn My Favorite Color paper pad, and I used the Fall Mugs ephemera pack. So this is really cute. The colors match perfectly. So gorgeous. And there is ephemera that matches this one as well. But I used the fall mugs on my little treat box here. And I think that little scarecrow cup is just so cute. There's also cutouts in here that are really cute. So you can cut these out and create your own ephemera, which is really, really super cute. Isn't that cute? I love that paper. And the next one here is using Trip to the Orchard paper pad. Love it. And paired it up with the Trip to the Orchard ephemera. So this ephemera pack has lots of like blocky sentiments. There's some images in here, but it's great to add to projects like this. So that says Hello Autumn. And then we've got a little cluster of fall items there. And I did use enamel dots on all of these projects. So let me share really quickly the Halloween ones. So I'm not going to go into too much detail because I did share these in a separate video. But if you're new watching, I just want to share Halloween versions. So this one is using that Spooky Witches. Isn't that cute? And then this one's using the Halloween Donuts. And then we've got the cute Halloween. So this is a really cute pink Halloween. And then I'm using the Halloween Coffee collection. I love it. So cute. And then these are also the Halloween Coffee collection. So the ephemera is in stock, but I'm not sure if I'm out of stock on the paper. If I do have any paper, it's like maybe 1 or 2 left. So those are all my cute little treat boxes. I just love it. So much fun to make. So everything will be in the description box for you guys. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today, and I hope to see you real soon. Bye guys!